Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a new document in Photoshop. Okay. First, I already created document. Go to File, New. Your document name, white, height, resolution, last 300. Color mode RGB, byte 8. Select pixels or you select easy. I select pixels white. This is thumbnail size. Okay, then okay. Now you can see this, create a new document. Okay, simply save this. Go to File, Save As, select Format drop down menu and large document format. Select your locations. Now save. You change your format again. Now see this mini format. You set the image format for JPG or JPEG. Now see this PNG format, the file PSD archival. Then save. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.